Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to lock your WhatsApp account on your Samsung phone. So here I have a Galaxy A36 5G from 2025. It's the same also for the other Samsung phones. And if you go to WhatsApp and want to lock this app, you can do it. It is very easy. Just tap here on these three dots and now tap on settings, and here we have privacy. Now scroll down and go to app lock. As you can see, now it's disabled, but from here you can lock with biometric. So you can use your finger to unlock the app. For that, just tap here and now confirm biometric. And here you can choose automatically lock. You can choose immediately after 1 minute or after 30 minutes. I will choose immediately. And also from here you can enable or disable show content, preview sender and message text inside new message notifications. And now I will go back and back again. And if I exit and go to WhatsApp, as you can see, now I'm asked to use my fingerprint. Or if you don't want it, you can use also your PIN. Just tap here and tap your PIN, and that's all. And you can unlock your WhatsApp app. So it's very easy. I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.